Hello, welcome to Gadget and Toys. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons to upgrade to the new Hero 7 Black, but you only need 1. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel for things like GoPro, PSVR and other things geeky. Okay, first of all, the HyperSmooth where everyone is talking about is fantastic, and it really totally replaced the need of gimbal, so you can save the money on it, save your load when you are going trekking or hiking. Second point is the time wall, where you can do hyperlapse. You can forget all about the timings and taking shot at certain distance or time interval. You can just set the speed, start record and just off you go. Really save a lot of trouble doing time lapse during travel. And lastly, now you can slow things down up to 8 times, recording at 240 frames per second up to full HD. So the one reason I'm talking about that you only need is actually something to do with the gimbal, because all know that GoPro 5 unmounted on any gimbal is going to be terrible because of the shakiness and motion and all that. So HyperSmooth take care of that. It's raining now, I better get into shelter. So now you can see it in motion. So to me, that's the only reason that you need. And trust me, for someone who has been bringing the gimbal, mainly the Feiyu G5 on my hikings and mountain climbing, I would say that it would save me a lot of trouble. Also eliminate the irritating motor sound that goes into the mic of Hero 5. But if you already own a gimbal, hold on, don't throw that away just yet. You will still need it for night shoot because HyperSmooth doesn't work in low lights. So later on, I will be doing comparison between Hero 5 Black standard stabilization and Hero 7 Black HyperSmooth. I also mount the Hero 5 on my Feiyu G5 gimbal and compare between the gimbal action and a non-gimbal in-camera stabilization. But before that, I would like to show you the improvement in the mic of Hero 7 compared to Hero 5. So it's supposed to cut off wind sound more effectively. The quality of the sound that recorded, like my voice for example, should be improved. So now what you're hearing is from the Hero 5 Black, and this is what you're hearing from Hero 7 Black. So if you like my video today on the 3 points that I share with you why you should upgrade to Hero 7 Black, so consider subscribe and hit the bell for any future notification. And I'll sign off now from here to finish my walk, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye.